Imagine the thrill of the engine roaring, the tires gripping the road as a Ferrari screams past you. The sleek aerodynamic design, the glint of the polished bodywork. It's not just a car, it's a masterpiece in motion. But have you ever wondered what goes into making a Ferrari? How does a car go from a concept on paper to one of the most iconic sports cars in the world? Today, we're about to dive into the engineering and assembly secrets that make Ferrari a symbol of luxury, speed, and precision. Stick with us, and we'll reveal how these machines are crafted to perfection, step by step. Ferrari, a name that has become synonymous with performance, luxury, and Italian craftsmanship. For decades, Ferrari has been creating cars that push the boundaries of speed, style, and engineering. From the roar of the engine to the curves of the body, every Ferrari is designed to perform at the highest level, while offering the kind of luxury and beauty that makes heads turn. But how does Ferrari manage to create such flawless machines? It all begins with a vision that combines cutting-edge technology, top-tier engineering, and expert craftsmanship. But the process of creating a Ferrari is anything but simple. It involves some of the world's most advanced techniques, expert craftsmanship, and a deep understanding of what makes a car truly great. Let's break down how Ferrari takes its vision and turns it into the high-performance masterpiece that graces the roads. Design and concept, creating a dream car. Every Ferrari begins with a sketch, but it's not just any sketch. The design process starts with a team of highly skilled engineers and designers who work together to bring Ferrari's vision to life. But this isn't just about aesthetics. Ferrari's designers focus on creating a car that is not only stunning but also functional. The lines, curves, and contours aren't just meant to look good. They're crafted to improve aerodynamics, enhance performance, and give the car the agility it's known for. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in Ferrari's design. Each curve is strategically placed to reduce drag and increase downforce, which ensures the car remains stable and fast. Whether it's on the racetrack or the open road, Ferrari uses wind tunnels and computational fluid dynamics, CFD, simulations to fine-tune every aspect of the design, ensuring that the car can handle extreme speeds while maintaining its elegance. From the exterior to the interior, no detail is overlooked. Ferrari's interiors are designed to be as luxurious as the performance itself. Premium materials like leather, carbon fiber, and hand-stitched details are used to create a cockpit that is both sophisticated and high performance. Every inch of the car is crafted with precision, giving drivers an experience that's as thrilling as it is comfortable. The engineering behind the power, under the hood. When you think of Ferrari, the engine is one of the first things that comes to mind. The heart of every Ferrari is its engine, and it's what sets the brand apart from the rest. Ferrari's engines are famous for their power, responsiveness, and unmatched performance. The journey of creating a Ferrari engine starts with the careful selection of materials. Ferrari uses the highest quality metals and alloys to ensure that the engine is as light as it is powerful. The company uses advanced materials like aluminum and titanium to reduce weight without compromising on strength or durability. Ferrari's engineering team then focuses on building an engine that not only delivers power, but also precision. Whether it's a V8 or a V12, Ferrari engines are designed to be responsive and to deliver power smoothly and efficiently. This is achieved through careful attention to detail in the engine's components, including the pistons, camshafts, and crankshaft. Each part is designed to work together seamlessly, creating an engine that's both powerful and precise. A significant part of Ferrari's engineering process comes from its Formula One racing technology. Ferrari has a long history in motorsports, and much of the technology and innovations developed on the racetrack make their way into their road cars. Features like advanced suspension systems, aerodynamics, and powertrains are all influenced by Ferrari's motorsport expertise, giving their cars a competitive edge both on and off the track. The assembly process, where precision meets craftsmanship. Once the design and engineering are complete, it's time for the assembly process. Ferrari's manufacturing facilities are known for their state-of-the-art technology and meticulous attention to detail. But what truly sets Ferrari apart is the fact that much of the assembly is done by hand. Ferrari's technicians are highly skilled craftsmen, and each car is assembled with care and precision. The assembly line is designed to allow the technicians to focus on one car at a time, ensuring that each vehicle is given the attention it deserves. From fitting the body panels to installing the engine and wiring the complex electronics, each step is carried out with precision. The process begins with the chassis, which serves as the foundation for the car. Ferrari's chassis is made from lightweight yet incredibly strong materials, such as carbon fiber and aluminum. These materials allow Ferrari to create a car that is both agile and durable, capable of handling high speeds and extreme forces. Once the chassis is completed, the engine is carefully installed. Ferrari's engines are precision engineered and must be installed with exacting standards. The technicians carefully align and mount the engine, ensuring that it is perfectly positioned to deliver the power and performance Ferrari is known for. The next step is the assembly of the body. Ferrari uses advanced techniques to create its body panels, which are made from lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber. Each panel is carefully fitted and aligned to ensure that the car not only looks perfect, but also performs at its best. The body is then painted and polished to create that signature Ferrari shine. Inside the car, the luxury is equally impressive. Every Ferrari features a hand-stitched leather interior, with attention paid to every detail. The dashboard, seats, and controls are all designed to create a driving experience that is as luxurious as it is thrilling. Quality control and testing, ensuring perfection. Once the car is fully assembled, it undergoes a rigorous quality control process. Ferrari's engineers and technicians conduct a series of tests to ensure that the car meets the company's exacting standards for performance, safety, and reliability. The first stage of testing involves visual inspections, where each car is examined for any imperfections in the paint, bodywork, or interior. Every detail is scrutinized to ensure that the car is flawless. Next, the car is subjected to a series of performance tests. Ferrari's test drivers take the car out on the track to evaluate its handling, braking, acceleration, and top speed. These tests are designed to ensure that the car performs as expected, delivering the kind of thrilling driving experience that Ferrari enthusiasts expect. Ferrari also tests its cars under extreme conditions, including high speeds, high temperatures, and harsh weather conditions. These tests ensure that Ferrari cars can handle any challenge they may face on the road, whether it's a hot summer day or a rainy, slippery road. The final product, masterpiece on the road. After passing the rigorous quality control and testing process, the Ferrari is ready to hit the road. But it's not just any car. It's a Ferrari, a symbol of engineering excellence, luxury, and performance. Each Ferrari that leaves the factory is a testament to the hard work, innovation, and passion that goes into creating these extraordinary machines. From the sleek design to the powerful engine, every Ferrari is a perfect blend of form and function. The combination of cutting-edge technology, expert craftsmanship, and motorsport expertise ensures that each Ferrari is a driving experience like no other. Whether you're driving through the city or on the open highway, driving a Ferrari is about more than just getting from point A to point B. It's about feeling the thrill of the road, the rush of speed, and the luxury that only a Ferrari can provide. So, what do you think? Would you love to experience the craftsmanship, power, and precision that go into every Ferrari? Let us know in the comments which Ferrari model you dream of owning. And if you enjoyed this inside look at how Ferrari cars are engineered and assembled, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more incredible insights into the world of luxury car manufacturing. From other supercar makers to the latest innovations in automotive engineering, we've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.